What's up, everybody? Tony here with iTech Check. Have any of you out there come across the problem where you're using up either both the Thunderbolt ports on your Mac or iMac, or you only have one USB Type-C on your PC tablet? I ran into that problem, but I solved it with the Alxum 8-in-1 hub. Now, this particular hub will plug into either a Thunderbolt 3 or a USB Type-C, and it not only extends it, but it has 8 different things on there that you can use to plug in. It has a Ethernet port, it has a VGA port, it has a HDMI port, it's got 2 3.0 USBs and an SD card reader, as well as a USB Type-C slot for powering. So it does output up to 100 watts, so you can use this to charge your MacBook or your PC tablet as well. Which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead do an unboxing real quick, and then I'm going to go over each individual thing that it has and show you how everything works out. So here you have your user manual, and then you have your USB hub. It's that quick. So here it is, the 8-in-1 USB hub. It is a all-metal design, which is really nice. It has your Gigabyte Ethernet, your VGA port. It's got your USB Type-C for powering your device. It has the SD card reader. It's got a couple of USB 3.0 ports and an HDMI output, as well as a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Really nice. So you no longer have to sacrifice your Thunderbolt 3 ports or your one USB Type-C port that you have in your computer. By plugging this in, you get a multitude of different things to use. So now the really nice thing is you can push up to one 4K monitor while this is plugged into your device. That's 4K at 30 frames per second, or you can have two monitors at 1080p, 60 frames per second. Let's go ahead and plug it in. We'll show you how it works. Okay, guys, so here we are. The USB hub is plugged into my Elite X2 HP tablet. As you can see at the bottom here, it is connected to the network. I do have the network cable plugged in. It is powering. Well, it's actually charging 31 minutes to full charge. So it is charging because I have the power cord plugged in here. I have my SD card plugged in here. You can also use an adapter with the micro SD card. I also have my USB plugged in, and I have my HDMI outputting to one of the monitors. Now I also have the VGA outputting to the other monitor. So as you can see, when I move my cursor off to the right here, it appears on both the screens. So the only thing about this is it duplicates one of the screens onto the other screen. You can't put one screen over here that's different than the other one. It just extends it out to both screens and duplicates it. So let's go ahead and test the Ethernet port. See, here we have my USBs over here, and then I also have my SD card reader on this one here. So let's go ahead and do a speed test real quick. As you can see, it pretty much buried the needle as soon as we turned it on. The ping's only 8 milliseconds, our download is 226, and our upload speeds are 41, which is pretty good. So now we also have that audio port. Let's go ahead and plug something into that and see how that works. Alright, so I found some old Apple earbuds. Go ahead and plug that in. We'll play something here. Let's see. So that works out pretty good. I really can't complain. It's got a really nice build. It's all metal. And it has a ton of ports. So you don't have to worry about sacrificing that one USB Type-C port or a Thunderbolt 3 port for anything else that you need to use. This can stay, in one, or if you have like an iMac, if you have two Thunderbolt ports, you can go ahead and plug this into it. You have all these other ports, plus you'll still be able to push that 4K at 30 frames per second out of the HDMI. So that's pretty much it, guys. I really, like I said, I don't have any complaints about this. It does everything it needs to do, and it's a pretty good price. All the ones from Apple are pretty expensive. They're probably like $70 for a hub that plugs into your Thunderbolt 3 and gives you like a VGA and an HDMI port, whereas this gives you that plus more. So I definitely recommend checking this out. I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to check this out yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.